Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for everyone. So Halloween's coming, so I thought why not make few cards like I did before. So if you want to watch other of my card videos, I'll put some link below. You can go through all of them. So the first thing we are doing here is I'm gonna need some colored paper. So I have this little book in which all these different colors are there, and then later I'm gonna cut it into a little spider, but the color should be orange that it will look like a spider, but it's like a basket of some sort. So then I'll put some double-sided tape behind it so that it will look a little bit above in the air. So I don't want to stick it onto the paper, so that's why I'm putting this double-sided tape. So when you go on Pinterest, you will find so many different ideas. So some of them I loved like a lot, so I thought why not try all these little Pinterest ideas. So this video, especially here, this one is all of the ideas that I found on Pinterest and I really love them. So I'm just recreating all those. So I'm not taking any kind of credit here. These are not actually my own ideas. I just love these Pinterest pictures, so I'm just making in my way. So they are different, they are a little different from this. They made it in some different way, but I'm just making it in my own way. I don't know what the process they followed. So this is the first one. Then the second, I'm gonna do again this paper. I'm taking orange because orange, it's the autumn season, so orange is the color of Halloween, I guess, because of the pumpkin and all. I don't know, just let me know in the comments below. And then cut it out in such a way so that the outer white portion will remain and inside you'll stick this. So what I'll do is here is I'm gonna just write in curvy handwriting Halloween, and then later on I'm gonna take some glue gun and then put some glue onto the letters like this, and then later when it will dry, it will look like embossed 3D kind of lettering. So this is the cheaper way of making cards, I guess. So this is how I do it. Okay, so you can see I have added few dots with the glue gun down there, so that I'll make some 3D kind of spiders, spooky spiders there, and see how nice they are looking. So that's it. This is how you make a Halloween card. So the next one is little like a night vision spooky Halloween card. So I'm just leaving some space there to make a moon, and then later on just color the sides with the color like blue, or down there a little bit darkish, royal blue, blackish kind of color, so that it looks more spooky, nightish kind of card. So the second thing what we'll need here is we need some trees. So I'll draw few trees and just do some rough drawing. Then laterwards I'll just cut it out, and then we need these trees we'll stick it on top of the landscape, kind of the bluish landscape that we made. We'll stick it on top of that. So now my card is done, the painting is done, so it is a rough painting. Then I'm just taking these different cuttings that I did of trees, and I'm just gonna just place it on top of the card, so that just so that it'll give me a little view and how my background is looking. So I think it should be more darker, so I'm just adding more color here and there. So when you'll finish coloring the moon yellow and all, then laterwards you'll put some colors like blackish spots here and there on the trees. Then laterward, don't forget to stick those trees onto the paper when you are finished with your back drawing. So this is just keep drawing it. And meanwhile my son woke up and he is just not allowing me to do anything, and he has ruined my backdrop and everything. So I need to get back to work. Okay, so I just cleaned that up, and now I'm again back to the track. So I'm gonna paste it later. So this is how it will look. You can add a little spooky figure behind, and see, that's my son again. So I'm just gonna give it a little white color eye like this. Okay, so just make it more spooky. Just oh my god. So this is what happens when you have a kid and you need to make a YouTube videos. He keeps interrupting me during the whole video session, so I need to. Okay, so this is the next one. So when you are ripping the papers, make sure the sides which you're ripping, it should look little bit of rough, so that it looks like little patches of kind of bandage or something, like it's a mummy and looking in from some darker corner or something like that. It should look more spooky. So instead of drawing these eyes, if you have those googly eyes which you get in a craft store, you can stick those as well. I think that they will give much more effect to the whole card. And so this is what it's looked like now. I think I need more bandages here and there, but you will get the idea. So this is what it will look in the end. Just write a boo down there, which I forgot to do. So that's it for today, guys. Next time I'll come up with new videos for everyone. So till then, bye bye, and do comment below, share your views with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet. Till then, bye bye.